In the sacred expanse where agriculture and ecology converge, agroecology unfolds as a mystical exploration and alchemical journey where the cultivation of the land becomes a quest to unravel the secrets of sustainable harmony, regenerative practices, and the enchanting dance of life within the cosmic theater of agriculture. Agroecology is a magical odyssey where practitioners, like modern-day stewards of the earth, delve into the hidden realms of farming, biodiversity, and the ancient wisdom encoded in the agroecological tapestry of the landscape. Key aspects of mystical agroecology. Agroecosystems as living sanctuaries. Agroecosystems become living sanctuaries, sacred spaces where cultivation coexists harmoniously with nature. Agroecologists become guardians of sanctuaries, unraveling the mystical dance between crops, soil, and biodiversity. Polyculture as ecological symphony. Polyculture becomes an ecological symphony, a harmonious composition where diverse crops play unique roles in the grand agroecological composition. Agroecologists become conductors of symphonies, studying the mystical patterns and interconnectedness that define diverse crop systems. Crop rotation as celestial choreography. Crop rotation becomes celestial choreography, an orchestrated dance where crops rotate through the seasons, enriching the soil and preventing imbalances. Agroecologists become choreographers of the celestial, unraveling the mystical movements that ensure the fertility of the land. Companion planting as botanical companionship. Companion planting becomes botanical companionship, a bond between plants that enhances growth, deters pests, and fosters mutual well-being. Agroecologists become matchmakers of botanical companions, exploring the mystical partnerships that exist among different plant species. Agroforestry as arboreal alchemy. Agroforestry becomes arboreal alchemy, an alchemical blending of agriculture and forestry, where trees and crops coexist in a harmonious union. Agroecologists become alchemists of the arboreal, practicing the mystical art of integrating trees into agricultural landscapes. Soil health as terrestrial vitality. Soil health becomes terrestrial vitality, a manifestation of the life force within the earth that sustains plant growth and biodiversity. Agroecologists become stewards of terrestrial vitality, studying the mystical dynamics that govern soil health and fertility. Biological pest control as natural sorcery. Biological pest control becomes natural sorcery, a magical practice where beneficial organisms keep pests in check. Agroecologists become sorcerers of nature, exploring the mystical strategies that harness the power of predators and parasites in pest management. Water conservation as aquatic harmony. Water conservation becomes aquatic harmony and alignment with the elemental forces that sustain life. Agroecologists become harmonizers with water, practicing the mystical art of conserving and utilizing water resources in harmony with ecological principles. Seed sovereignty as ethereal heritage. Seed sovereignty becomes ethereal heritage, a sacred acknowledgement of the cultural and ecological importance of diverse seeds. Agroecologists become keepers of ethereal heritage, preserving the mystical diversity encapsulated in traditional and locally adapted seeds. Local food systems as gastronomic alchemy. Local food systems become gastronomic alchemy, an alchemical transformation of raw produce into nourishing, culturally rich meals. Agroecologists become alchemists of gastronomy, appreciating the mystical connections between locally grown food and the cultural and ecological landscape. In the enchanted fields of agroecology, where cultivation and ecology intertwine, each practice is a ritual and invitation to witness the mystical dance of sustainable agriculture, to decode the ancient language written in agroecological patterns, and to embrace the timeless magic that agroecologists, as modern stewards of the land, bring to the understanding of our planet's living tapestry.